Ransomware remains one of the most severe cybersecurity threats, causing massive financial losses and operational disruptions for businesses, government agencies, and individuals. With the evolution of ransomware attacks, organizations must focus not only on prevention, but also on detection and mitigation strategies to minimize damage. Detecting ransomware early can prevent data encryption, while effective mitigation techniques can help organizations recover without paying ransom demands. In this lesson, we will explore how to detect ransomware attacks, early warning signs, best practices for mitigation, response strategies, and essential tools to strengthen security defenses. Ransomware attacks typically follow a multi-stage process, beginning with the initial infection, followed by encryption, ransom demands, and, in many cases, data exfiltration. Attackers often gain access to a network through phishing emails, software vulnerabilities, weak passwords, or unsecured remote access services. Once inside, they deploy malware that silently spreads across systems, identifying and encrypting critical files. Many modern ransomware variants use double extortion tactics, where attackers not only encrypt files but also steal sensitive data, threatening to release it publicly if the ransom is not paid. The time between infection and detection is critical. The sooner a ransomware attack is identified, the greater the chance of stopping it before significant damage occurs. Security teams must continuously monitor network activity, system behaviors, and endpoint activities to detect potential threats before encryption begins. Detecting ransomware before files are encrypted can significantly reduce the impact of an attack. Some of the key warning signs of a ransomware infection include unusual file activity, such as large numbers of files being rapidly renamed, modified, or encrypted, suspicious network traffic, unauthorized user account creation, disabled security software, unexplained system slowness, and the appearance of unusual file extensions like locked or encrypted are also indicators of an ongoing attack. If a ransom note appears on a system, it is a clear sign that ransomware has already taken hold. Early detection of ransomware attacks requires proactive monitoring and real-time analysis of security data. Organizations can implement strategies such as endpoint detection and response tools, security information and event management, SIM systems, behavioral analysis, network traffic monitoring, and deception technology like honeypots to detect malicious activity before encryption occurs. If ransomware is detected early, immediate action can help limit the damage. Organizations should isolate infected systems, disable shared folders and network drives, terminate malicious processes, preserve forensic evidence, and check for publicly available decryption tools. Reporting the incident to law enforcement and engaging cybersecurity experts can also help identify mitigation options. The best way to recover from an attack is by restoring data from clean, offline backups that have not been compromised. While detection and mitigation are crucial, the best defense is a strong prevention strategy. Organizations should implement regular data backups, patch management, email security, multi-factor authentication, network segmentation, and ransomware incident response planning to reduce risk. Security awareness training for employees is also essential to prevent phishing attacks, which are the leading cause of ransomware infections. Cybersecurity experts strongly advise against paying ransom demands, as doing so does not guarantee data recovery and only encourages more attacks. In some cases, paying a ransom may violate legal regulations or fund criminal activities. Instead, organizations should focus on strengthening their defenses and having a well-tested incident response plan in place. Ransomware is a fast-evolving cyber threat, but with strong detection and mitigation strategies, organizations can significantly reduce their risk. By leveraging advanced security tools, proactive monitoring, and employee awareness training, businesses can detect ransomware early and respond effectively. The key to staying secure is constant vigilance, regular security updates, and implementing a robust backup strategy. Cybercriminals will continue developing new ransomware variants, but with the right prevention, detection, and mitigation strategies, organizations can stay ahead of the threat. In the next section, we will analyze real-world ransomware response case studies, showing how organizations successfully detected and mitigated attacks. Stay tuned.